are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Activities you can do here in Two Rivers. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome back to the family. Let's check out what fun activities are here in Two Rivers.
It was a tough. How was it, Jackie?
Oh, it was fun. But where ile ya juu I was like, oh.
Aya, utusukume basi. Tushuke hapa. Oh my goodness. Banyaza. Nice. Yeah. Say hi, baby girl. Jackie. Hey. Jackie, you look good.
Make me harder. Make me water. I'm water.
Yeah, they look nice. Valentine gifts. So we are heading home, and yeah, the day has been nice. We've enjoyed ourselves, and we are happy. Tomorrow is on a Monday, a tough day, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you. I love you all. Mwah.